That's when the river flooded. Yeah, we came out to walk this morning. It's bright out here. Look at this. We're on the big damn bridge of the rock. Good morning. So we went on a walk Saturday morning, and it's been really nice. It's starting to get warmer outside. It's about 11 o'clock, and we walked across the big dam bridge, as you probably saw earlier. But now we're in the trails. It is so beautiful. It's just wooded all around us. Have the water to the right of us, the Arkansas River. And I've had my mask on most of the time, but it's hot. I don't think Brendan's taken his mask off one time. But yeah, we're just getting our miles logged and getting our cardio in for the day. Whew. It is hot, and I left my water in the car. Just smart. So I am ready. Focus on getting back to the car so I can get me a drink. There's this older gentleman on the walker that's walking. So, this gentleman back here is so inspiring. He's got a walker, and he is, good morning, he is getting it in. And that is awesome. Don't ever give up. No matter where you are in life, keep moving. Be active. God can turn it around for you. So pray strength over that gentleman. Pray health and healing to his body in the name of Jesus. And I pray strength and health to you in the name of Jesus. You can make it. Don't quit. Don't stop. God bless you.